Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Ciate London Wonderwand Gel Hybrid Eyeliner in black. It's the 0.28 travel size double-ended eyeliner with blending and smudging brush. And a little bit about this product. It's an eyeliner pencil that combines the creamy blendability of a kohl with an intense, high coverage, long-wearing pigment as a gel. What it does is Ciate's London Wonderwand Gel-kohl eyeliner is built to give you a number of liner options because it's precise and defined for perfection, or smudge it out using the built-in brush for a more sultry, smoked out eye look. Its unique hybrid formula performs like a kohl, but is not incredibly easy to apply, remaining smudgeable long enough for you to blend it out as desired. Once it's set, it provides longevity and the staying power of a gel. What is formulated without? Parabens, sulfates, okay, the word I can never say, sulfate. What else do you need to know? Wonderwand liners available in 10 on-trend shades from this classic must-have, intensely pigmented, vibrant hues. Ciate London encourage you to try shades you've never worn to celebrate the pretty, fun, and fearless side in you. And this product is cruelty-free, so we like that. No testing on bunnies. The reviews online are stellar. Everybody absolutely loves this. I've tried it once. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. So this is the brush. This is the kohl end. So see, it's a real nice, easy application. Like whereas if you use a Wet n Wild at the grocery store, I learned this in high school, that you could take a lighter and burn the mascara a little, or the eyeliner a little bit, and melt it, and it would be a better product. So I always thought that was what you had to do with all eyeliners, until I learned that, oh hey, there are more expensive liners that work a lot better. So this Ciate London Wonderwand Gel-kohl Hybrid eyeliner in black is really amazing. I'm going to use the brush to show you how you can smudge it out so it's not so dark. Might as well use it on that too. So yeah, it just lessens the color a little bit, just gives you more of a nice, even, smoky look. Should you want to go that heavy with your eyeliner, but you want to smudge it out, you can do that too. So it's really nice to have the brush and the eyeliner all in one. It is made in Italy, even though it says it's distributed. Oh, it's distributed by Ciate London. So it's made in Italy, distributed by a company in London. I would have to give this, in terms of makeup, in terms of eyeliner scores, a 5 out of 5 because it works really well. Like I said, the price isn't too bad. Yeah, I just would give it a really good review. Like I said, the gel and the kohl hybrid work together in conjunction in making it a really smooth transition to put onto your skin. And of course, putting it on my hand is completely different than putting it on your eye. Your eye has a completely more delicate, thin skin to it. It'll go on completely different than on my hand, which is much tougher skin. But like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, my lovelies. The Ciate London Wonderwand Gel-kohl liner. I hope you like, and thanks for watching.